Okay, so for the past month and a half or so, I've been trying to get my car fixed because every time I try to drive it, it'll basically like start to shake really bad and then it'll just die. But I tried to take it into the dealership to get it serviced and the part that I needed wasn't in stock. And so I've been waiting a month and a half or so for this part to come in the mail. And today is finally the day. The guy at the dealership called me and said that the part is in. So we're gonna go get it fixed today and I'm gonna take you guys along. Here at Hyundai, getting it fixed. Let's get it. In the meantime, I'm gonna do some editing.
I've been asking questions, but I don't got the answers for them though. Mama told me to be patient, build it from the ground until they come, and they will come. We gon' ride to the sunset until it's time, all in time, all in time, yeah. Done with my teens, my 20s are looking prosperous. 2 million streams with my brothers.
Alright, so we made it back to the dorm. The car is actually running so smooth. Like from the beginning when I turned on the car, it just started up way smoother than it did before. I don't know what was wrong with it. I'm not like a mechanic or anything, but whatever they did worked out. It was free of charge, so that's great. But yeah, for the rest of the night, I'm probably gonna study, finish the previous vlog that I was editing, if that makes any sense, and maybe work out. So I just got this email saying I got a random package. I have no idea what it could be, but we're gonna go check it out and do a little unboxing. Oh, I guess I'll never know how a young heart really feels. And why I love her so. Alright, so I just got back from getting the package, and tell me why I know exactly what this is. Can you see those little letters right there? From Chick-fil-A. Alright, so a couple weeks ago I emailed Chick-fil-A basically just telling them how I completely loved their company and like how much I eat there all the time, and they sent me something. Alright, so let's open this and see what we got. Sick. Dude, what the heck? No way. Guys, this is so sick. What the heck? There's like 4 note cards in there, t-shirt, a water bottle, and a cow. But it looks so pretty, I don't want to open it. But I guess I probably should. Oh, alright, enough messing around. Let's open this. I'm sorry. So we got a water bottle with some stuff in it. And a soft t-shirt, whoa. It's dry fit. Oh, it's long sleeve. What? This is sick. Yo, I don't wear green a lot, but this is fire. What the heck? Sick water bottle. Let's open it up. No way. I couldn't get these out. So they gave me 4 free desserts. That's pretty sick. I love their cookies actually, so as much as I don't need them, I'm gonna eat them because that's insane. And we got this little cow. Come here. That's sick. No way. That's crazy. All right, Chick-fil-A. If you want to sponsor the next video, hit me up because that would be sick. And I'm definitely very grateful for all of this. Yeah guys, we're out here taking cute photos and videos. Hopefully you can hear me. Very windy. Yeah, we're out here doing some fall stuff.
It's my baby, it's my love. Touching you slowly, love how you hold me. I was a player, that that was he owed me. I sent to pay ya for something holy. Got naked and showed me.
What's up? Okay.
Fuck.
Okay.
I was joking. I'm joking.
You're like Robin Williams.
Unless.
Hey, you just said the N-word. Hey, you said the N-word. He's not black. He's not black. He's not black. He's not black. Show it. Show it.
No.
Let's go.
Pray.
What the hell was that?
Too much nut bonnet, bro. I'm out. I'm out.
Smell this shit. I opened it.
Wait, let me smell. Wait, let me smell.
Throw all the waters away.
Beautiful people, top designer clothes, front row fashion shows. What you doing?
Smell this fucking wall.
Bag.
It smells like shit.
I just want to switch.
You're a fucking bitch.
I don't know nobody.
I'll drink it to a fucking tree.
Hey.
Sup? Okay. Okay.